Hi everyone, this video will show you how to do basic mug sublimation printing. In order to do this project, you will need a printer with dye sublimation ink, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, and a mug press. So I'm just setting my paper size to be letter size, which is the paper that I bought, and then I'm duplicating my design so I can print multiple of them on the same page. You don't need to do this. Make sure that your image fits onto the mug that you are using. My image is 3 inches tall, which is the height of my mug. When you're done with all edits, make sure to save your Photoshop document as a PDF rather than a JPEG. This will allow you to print the file exactly to scale. So you just press save PDF, and then when it asks for this, you can press yes or no. I'm going to press yes so that I can edit it later. I'm just going to pull up my document here. After making sure that everything is exactly as how you would want it to be printed, press print and select the correct printer. If you go to advanced, every computer has different settings, but you just select print as image. Some computers will allow you to print it as a better image or a worse image. Make sure you have actual scale selected, and then you can just press print. This is my printer. It is an Epson Artisan 1430. The ink that I am using is Sublimation dye ink bought from INKXPRO.com. They have a variety of ink for many different printers that is refillable. So I'm using dye sublimation paper as well. Make sure that you have the right side of the paper up so that it is printing on the right side. So for the next part, you're going to need the pre-printed image, some tape, scissors, and the mug that you're planning to print on. So just go ahead and take your image and cut off the part that you actually want to print so that your image fits on the cup and can be taped to it. So after cutting it, I'm just going to make sure that the image is centered where I want it to, and just apply tape to both sides of it. If you're doing a design that wraps all the way around, it's better to put it on either sides vertically, as I have done here. So I'm just doing that to both sides of the cup. This is my mug press. Depending on the settings of the mug press, you will need to set it to different temperatures and different times. For mine, I have set it to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 seconds on the timer. Once it's preheated to the set temperature, simply insert the mug and press down the handle. When the timer is up, Once the timer is up, unlock the mug from the heat press and take it out. Remove all tape and images on the mug and submerge the mug in room temperature water to cool it down quickly. I have linked specific details about this entire process down below in the description section. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.